Hey, what's up? This is Anthony with AGT Exotics, and today we're going to do an unboxing from Nature's Exquisite Creatures. This is our first time doing an order with these guys. It was pretty cool. The same FedEx guy keeps coming and delivering my packages, and he knows that I usually get live animals, and so he's been putting all of he keeps my packages in the cab, so they're not in the back. It's pretty cool. I like the way she, or I don't know what gender they are over at Nature's Exquisite Creatures, but I like how the paper is damp, just a little bit. That adds a lot of humidity and stabilizes the temperature very well. And then also, the heat pack is still warm and taped to the side, so it can't move around and touch the containers. So this is a very good packing job, I'd say. Alright, so with this order what we got is 5 Avicularia purpurea, and 3 of these for me, and 2 is for my buddy, Bobby's Teas. We usually split orders, or live right next to each other. I also got a Poecilotheria rufilata. Hopefully it will be a male, but if it's female then I got 2 females, that's cool. My buddy got Monosotropus balfouri female. It's like 1.5 inches, I believe. It's not very big. It's still got some growing to do, but it's female. And then he also got an Avicularia metallica. And he's getting the freebie this time, and he's getting the Dolichothelli diamanensis. Very cool species. It's like a little mini OBT, or sorry, mini OBT. It's like a mini green bottle blue. It's really cool tea. Alright, let's get these things housed up. Alright, just going with my standard issue Hobby Lobby enclosures for my slings. So this is for the rufilata. It's basically, yeah, you can see what it is. But what I do is I give a little like bark hide or something like that for the rufilatas, or the Poecilotherias. They really want something to hide behind. So that's how that one's set up. What that is just a piece of cocoa mat. I have it glued to the back, and then I have a piece cut, and it's just sitting in there against the wall. And then for the Avicularia purpurea, I'm assuming they're like most Avicularia, where they'll just want to go up and just use whatever's there, trees or whatnot, to do their thing. Every time I gave them something to hide behind, they never used it. So I got these guys set up like this. Pretty simple. Alright, let's get some housing going on. Alright, let's get the rufilata done first. So I'm trying out my new video camera I got. It's a Canon Vivix, what is it? Canon Vivix R800. It's not the greatest. It's like $300 or something like that. but it's a lot better than my iPhone. Alright, little rufilata. These guys are quick. Alright, I need to focus on making a hole down the side first. There we go. I can get the tool in there. You want to not grab the critter, obviously. Let's see, I'm going to have to grab further down on these tools here to get a more firm of a grip. No, not coming out. The only thing I don't like about this kind of shipping is that these are extremely hard to pull out. These don't have any teeth on it, so I'm hoping that this one with the teeth will be able to grab it a little better. I see some movement, so it's definitely moving around in there, so that's good. There we go. Want to make sure you pull nice and steady and slow. Alright. That's a good pull right there. That was a tough one. That was really hard to pull out of there. If you're not careful, you can easily start making it ravel when you're pulling it out, and you can easily squish your little teeth. Alright. I think this guy's around 1.5 inch. Oh, here we go. Getting some movement. Alright, little one. Cool. Ooh, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was. But that's great. We'll get larger housing for it fairly fast. Pretty cool. Let's get this closed here. I didn't spray the enclosure. I really wanted to before, but I forgot, so I'm going to make sure to get my spray bottle and spray the rest before I house them. Wow. Cool, that's a lot bigger than I was expecting. That's darn near 2 inches. Looks like maybe it just molted, looks kind of thin. Very cool. Alright. Poecilotheria rufilata. Yeah, it's not going to be in this enclosure very long. Alright, let's move on to the next ones. Alright, let's get these 3 Avicularia purpurea housed up here. Here's the first one. Now I got them all sprayed down so they're got some moisture right when they get in there, they can drink. Oh, let's get the second camera going here, the second angle. There we go. In case we get an escape or something crazy, film it a little better. Attempted escape, because I ain't letting that happen. Alright. Okay. No surprise jump outs. We always love that, right? Alright. These are going to be way smaller than that rufilata. I already know this. Alright. So these are smaller tongs to get behind. Peel that back a bit. Make sure you're not squishing your tea when you're doing this, of course. Alright. trick is to get as much as you can of the material when you're pulling up. If you get just a little bit and you start scoping it out, you'll see it's not a good thing. You got to stop right when that happens and re-grab or figure out a different method. I've had to cut off the bottom of little containers before to get them out. It's a little purpurea. Oh, so cute. Alright. It's going to be in this enclosure for quite a while. Oh, he says nope. That's oh, it's a jumper. Okay. There we go. That little guy's crazy. He's all over the place. Did a nice little jump too. I'm going to have to get little crickets for this guy. Alright, there's one of them. Let's go right into the next ones. That went pretty smooth. Little guy's backing up. Says, "Oh no, don't eat me. I ain't gonna eat you, little one. I'm gonna feed you like a king. Get you nice and fat." Oh. Alright, let's do a regrab here. See, I tried to jump the gun. What you gotta do is make sure you separate it from the wall enough where you can grab it, or you'll do what I just did and slip there. Always making sure you're not hurting the tee when you're putting it down the middle. Ah. Alright, this one's being a little more difficult, so I'm gonna try a different area, I guess. We can get a better grip. I'm actually pulling quite hard, but steady. I saw my fingers turn all red and white. Let's get this open. Alright, got the second one out. I try not to roller coaster them too much by spinning them out, but sometimes you just do it. Alright. Roller coaster ride. Oh, little one. This one seems even smaller than the other. Oh, there we go. Those water dishes may have a little too much water in them. Avoclares are pretty good with water, but still. There's a few videos online of avoclarias floating on top and swimming, kind of staying on the surface tension because they got so much little hairs. I'm not sure if other teas are good at doing that. Alright, let's do the third one real quick. I don't know which one of these ones had it in it. I don't see it anywhere. Oh, there it is. Okay, it's this one. I didn't want to try to put two together by accident. Alright. There we go. Let's go for that third one. Okay. Didn't forget that time. Made a nice big gap on the side. That one not good. Gosh, these guys are small. And they grow pretty quick though. It seems like I have a clear. Well, so far my versicolors are like doubling their size every molt. There we go. Alright, little guy. Welcome to the jungle. Alright, gonna go on to move his, do his female Balfouri into her enclosure for Bobby here. I don't know if he wants these labels. I'm not keeping mine, so I just ruined mine. He might want these, so I'm gonna make it where he can recover those nicely if he wants. It's pretty good actually. Okay. Here's our Balfouri female. There we go. Okay. Where's the start of this thing? There we go. I have a Balfouri communal of 5, but they're all about half the size of this one. Okay. Let's see if I can. I don't want it to have a fall at all. There we go. Perfect. Right in there. Yeah, my Balfouris are about half the size. Cool. Went right down in the bark there and started digging in the substrate. Very cool. Alright, so let's move on to his... I'm not going to film his purpureas because I just did 3 of those, but we'll do his Metallica and his freebie Dolichthilli. And the holes on these containers, they may be a little bit too big for those purpureas we just got. I'm gonna have to put mine, I don't trust the holes on mine either, so I think I'm gonna put them inside of another container for a little bit and see if I see anything happening. Oh, look at that. For a baby, this one don't got no pink toes, it has some blue toes. Oh, it is a Metallica. Avicularia Metallica, I guess that's suiting. This one's not really moving down. There we go. Doesn't give me any room. That seems to be helping too. Grabbing really low on the tongs. Like that. Putting a lot of pressure on it. Oh, let me give this guy a little spray down. A little spray in his water dish too. Alright. This little sling's cool looking. Those purpureas already are pretty dark. I was expecting a little more color out of the slings, but not much. Oh, cool. Cool little guy. Oh, he's a runner. Just wants to get on camera more, I think. That's the only deal. Just want to be on the camera more. Wow, look how dark the body is. Very cool. It says, nope, I'm out, I'm going on an adventure. Well, it's definitely adventuresome, little T. He'll have his hands full with that one, huh? Very cool. Alright, let's get his Dolichtheli diamanensis. I still know I'm not saying that name properly yet. That's okay though. It's a long one. So that's going to go in this little vial here. This little, like, what is it, 10 dram? It doesn't say. I have 3 of these that are about 2 inches and they are just so gorgeous. It's probably one of my, it is my favorite tea that I have right now. They're just such a good looking tea. There we go. It wasn't retreating down the hole. Now it did. And right now, I don't know if they're still for sale, but they're, I think, $30 for for these guys, and I think I paid like $75 for mine. So go check out Nature's Exquisite Creatures and get some good deals. Oh, look at this little one. That is a little one. Okay, let's do this one sideways. I don't want it to have any drops. There we go. And that guy's in there. I didn't spray this one either. Let me just do a little teeny drop on the side. Perfect. So thanks for joining us on this unboxing of Nature's Exquisite Creatures. They did a great job with the packaging. I like how the newspaper for packing is slightly damp. That stabilizes the temperature. And that the heat pad is taped to the side. That's very important that it doesn't roam around. Alright, so see you guys next time. Have a good day.